Well, thanks very much. It's a real pleasure to be here and have the opportunity to share some of my observations, some of my research, and my attempts to photograph wildlife and their behavior over the years. There's a disturbing trend taking place with the kestrels here in California along the coast. It appears that the lack of small mammalian prey, which they predominantly predate on elsewhere, is disappearing. And as a consequence, their wing lengths are shortening, significantly shortening in California and nowhere else. 7 nests that I was monitoring, only 2 coastal nests were successful. Right now, we have no explanation why. The reason we know this is courtship, for the next 10 days they were together. We ran cameras at all 3 locations for a period of 13 months. The Hamilton study area, we had 84 pumas detected. East Bay Hills, we actually had 8. What was really quite disturbing is the Mount Diablo study area, 0, with the same camera trap arrays. But what really just gets me going is the Pontonelle. This is the world's largest tropical freshwater wetland in the world. It's 195 square kilometers. Unfortunately, only 5% of the Pontonelle is protected. The other 95% is rangeland and ranch land. This young age female right there, I could have touched her. She walked up to me, I was sitting at a water hole, and she walked up, took a drink, and walked right by me. They're sharing kills. There'll be as many as 7 pumas on 1 kill. Some of the pumas are non-related. So these cats are not nearly as ruthless, not nearly as aggressive. They're swimming down the rivers, chasing after prey. It's insane. They take super dangerous prey. They consistently are catching these caiman. And some caiman are as big as 4, 5, 6 meters long. And they're diving into the river, catching them. Some of the jaguars are actually swimming underwater for 10, 20 meters in really turbid waters and coming up with a caiman. 2 males hunting together. It's very, very similar that you would expect to find in cheetahs. They're out hunting for several years in a row together, catching prey and defending themselves against bigger males. Male and females hunting together, and then philopatric females hunting together. What's remarkable is the jaguar giant otter interactions. The otters tend to be the aggressors. And I definitely don't have time for questions, so if you want to